Now let's see how eProcurement is used in real business scenarios. The first use is in cost control. For example, a manufacturing firm can analyze supplier pricing and choose the most cost-effective options automatically. The second use is in supplier collaboration and compliance. Companies can monitor supplier performance, track contracts, and ensure regulatory compliance without manual effort. The third use is in process efficiency and transparency. For instance, warehouses can automatically reorder components when stock runs low, reducing downtime and ensuring smooth production. Hopefully you liked these practical examples because they show how eProcurement directly impacts efficiency and cost savings. Let me share a top real case study. Siemens, the global industrial and manufacturing giant, faced challenges in managing procurement across its multiple divisions and thousands of suppliers. Manual processes caused delays, inconsistencies, and high administrative costs. Siemens implemented SAP Ariba eProcurement in 2016, integrating it with their existing ERP systems. The platform automated purchase requests, approvals, and supplier management. As a result, Siemens reported a 30% reduction in procurement cycle time, improved compliance across suppliers, and millions in cost savings annually. That's amazing learning, since it clearly demonstrates how digital procurement transforms operational efficiency. So in a nutshell, eProcurement is the digital backbone of modern purchasing, automating procurement processes, improving supplier collaboration, and ensuring cost control. We saw its types, step-by-step functioning, uses in cost control, compliance, and efficiency, and the Siemens case study shows the tangible benefits of adopting this technology. So we simply seen how digital procurement can save time, reduce errors, and make supply chains smarter. Hopefully you found this concept very useful, and I believe you have gained an important learning today.